Oh, that's a nice butt, actually. That's a really nice butt. Okay, I'll take that. Beautiful. Beautiful. That's in the 30s. That's in the 30s, my friends. Beautiful 34 inches. Okay, we're on a roll now. Good morning, Mark here. Patchy fog, but have some sun. It's a Saturday morning, really busy out here. We have a couple big groups, probably about 25 guys on the water. Anyway, it's gonna be more of the same. Gonna find bait, gonna find those precious sardines and start drifting, and I hope for a big mama. High tide is probably around noontime. And so real easy launch, waves are real easy. The swell is kind of crosshatched, very light wind coming down out of the mountains, pushing me out. So all right, let's go get some. All right, see you in a bit. Oh yeah, that's some nice bait. There we go. There we go. That's a butt. Right there. Right there. Right there. Hopefully not a shark. Oh, I got off. Bummers. Yeah.
out there, bro? Yes, video bait, 46, 50. Yeah, come on over, man. There's plenty of bait. Okay, if you guys can, just load up to, come move to them, you guys.
Sardines. Very cool. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Just the right size too. Oh yeah. Nothing came off the hook, so my scale should be pretty much intact. And oh yeah, just made bait. These are just the right size too. Ah. Just lost half its scales. That's not good. Not the way I like it done. Okay. Definitely not the way I like it done. Okay. All right, bringing in the bait slow but sure. I've got 2 sardines soaking on the bottom, and I just got a bunch more sardines here. Stay on, stay on. Oh yeah. Beautiful sardines. Just the right size. Just the right size. Oh, pristine. Beautiful baits. Beautiful baits. Gorgeous baits. Not too big, not too small. All the scales intact. Can't ask for more than that. A boat just passed me with someone I met on the beach, striper fishing. It was a day we got some nice stripers. They're bounce balling back and forth right now. There's some more. There's some more beauties. No problem getting sardines today. Oh yeah. No problem at all. At least for now, we got plenty. I can't really catch any more without crowding the baits in those bait sharks. So we're just gonna be trolling around right now. All right. On to something here. Just hooked up on a sardine. Oh yeah, it's a butt. It's a nice butt. I'm pretty sure. Oh yeah. First fish of the day on a sardine. It's about 9:30 in the morning. pretty sure this is a butt. Feels like a heavy one too. Hopefully not a ray, as we always hope. But this feels like it's got some good weight to it. Yeah. Oh yeah. That first bud of the morning is always so nice. Yeah, that's a nice butt. That's a nice butt right there. It's a beautiful fish. Don't spit it, come on. There we go. Oh yeah. First flatty of the morning. First flatty of the morning. All right. First fatty flatty of the morning. Right? Good start. Well, it's about 11 o'clock. Probably halfway through my session. And I got just that 130 so far. No more bites, no more rakes, nothing. I've got 2 sardines on the bottom. I got plenty of sardines in my bait sharks. So hoping for the best here. Just opened my monster and I'm hoping this will stimulate a bite. Need 4 more. All right, let's get them. All right, finally a hookup. It's been all day long. All day long. If I can have a day where maybe a 30. Maybe a 30. Got one in the morning in the fog, and now this is my second one. Very nice. Very nice. All right. That's the spot. X marks the spot. All right. Nice 30-inch. Can't complain about that. Woohoo! Very good. All right, let's get another one. Don't know, this might be a butt or it might be a shark. I don't know completely, but it's feeling a little bit like a butt, so we'll see here. I'm sure hoping this is a butt. It feels more like a shark though now. Yeah. We'll see. It's outgoing tide right now. High tide was at 12. Oh, that's a nice butt, actually. That's a really nice butt. Okay. Wow, I'll take that. I'll take that. Beautiful. Beautiful. That's in the 30s. That's in the 30s, my friends. Nice. Nice. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Oh, that's a nice butt. It's like a, I bet you that's like a 34. Right spot. Right spot. Oh yeah, that's a chunky monkey right there. Chunky monkey. Oh, this is nice. I really needed this. It's been a long day. All right, yep, 34. 34 inches. Ah, yeah. Beautiful 34 inches. Okay, we're on a roll now. We are on a roll now. Let's keep this momentum going. All right, I'm calling it. It's about 2 o'clock. I'm gonna start cruising back. Can't complain about today. It was a little slow, but got that one earlier in the morning in the fog, and then it cleared up, and I didn't get anything more until slack tide. High tide was at 12, and then slack tide came in, and it was like boom boom within like a 15-minute period. So yeah, it was nice. A lot of bait in the water, lots of sardines, lots of max. It was good, really good. Definitely a refresher. All right, we will catch you next time. And on a rather sad note, when we were taking off, actually after I had taken off, looking back at shore, we saw flashing lights, emergency lights, and turns out a guy had a heart attack, and from what I hear, didn't make it. So that's sad. Anyway, so I'm gonna head back now. Catch you later. Water's really clear too. When those butts came up, you could see them way down there. Really clear. We did battle a lot of weeds, but that's par for the course. That eelgrass just kills me. This means you have to pull up your bait more frequently. You can't have any eelgrass on your baits because nothing is going to happen. Virtually no wind today. It's 2. This is when the wind usually comes up. It's supposed to be virtually glass through the weekend. Just beautiful. Shark. It's twisting. It's a shark. It's twisting and twisting. Probably a leopard. It's kind of a heavy one though. Yeah, you bad boy. Surprised it hasn't broken off yet. Really surprised. This thing's wrapped around its body several times. That's disgusting. Probably wrapped up in my other line too. Should be seeing color now. It's a big shark. At least it feels that way. My arms are tired. They're very tired. Heavy fish. Heavy fish. Got to be careful that I don't get knocked over. In this kayak. Yeah, there we go. Big old leopard or soupy. Big old soupy. Big soupy. There we go. Big soup fin. That's a lot of porpoises. A lot of porpoises.